What if the secret to becoming unstoppable is to disappear? Robert Downey Jr. vanished for 1,095 days. When he returned, he didn't just reclaim his career, he became the Iron Man, earning $500 million and rewriting his destiny. Tonight, I'll reveal the shadow steps that turned his downfall into legend, and how you can do the same. Before we begin, close your eyes. Feel that restless energy inside you? That's your soul, desperate for transformation. The world demands you shout, share, shine. But what if the real power lies in silence? In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover the 5 shadow steps that rebuilt a broken man into a hero, why hiding your progress is more powerful than sharing it, and the unmistakable sign you're ready to return, reborn. But here's the truth, most will never dare to vanish. Will you? Imagine. July 2001. Robert Downey Jr., Hollywood's golden child, sits in a courtroom. Wrists cuffed. A judge declares, "You're a danger to yourself and others." Headlines scream, "Career over." Studios blacklist him. Friends disappear. His bank account is empty. In that moment of total collapse, he made a choice that changed everything. He chose to disappear. Not to run, but to rebuild. Before I reveal what happened in those shadows, ask yourself, if no one was watching, no judgment, no applause, who would you become? Step 1. Silence your intentions. Downey stopped talking about getting better. No interviews, no promises, no social media. Here's why. Every time you announce your plans, your brain rewards you, making you less likely to act. Keep your dreams secret. Let them grow in the dark. But that was just the beginning. What he did next shocked even his closest friends, and it's the opposite of what most do. Step 2. Hide your progress. While the world moved on, Downey rebuilt himself in secret. He trained in Wing Chun martial arts at dawn, meditated for hours, worked with therapists. He wrote in journals, never posting, never sharing. Transformation is like a photograph in a dark room. Only in darkness does the image develop. But here's where most people break. They can't handle the emptiness. Downey called it productive emptiness, and it nearly broke him. Step 3, embrace the void. For 3 years, he lived like a monk. No parties, no premieres. Just him, his healing, and his craft. He said, "I had to become comfortable with being uncomfortable. Like a seed, you must let yourself be buried before you bloom." But the hardest part wasn't the isolation. It was facing the demons he'd been running from. What he discovered about pain will change how you see your own struggles. Step 4, transform your pain. Downey didn't run from his addiction, his shame, his failures. He turned every regret into discipline, every moment of shame into wisdom. He wrote, "My pain became my power source." Your struggles aren't a weakness. They're the raw material for greatness. But there was one final step. The step that made his transformation permanent. Step 5, become unavailable. The old Robert said yes to everyone. The new Robert said no to everything that didn't serve his healing. He guarded his time like a fortress. His energy, a sacred flame. He became unavailable to his old life until he was strong enough to choose his own path. Then, 2008, Iron Man premieres. The man once called uninsurable becomes Hollywood's highest paid actor. But the real victory wasn't the money or the fame. It was the quiet confidence of someone who had rebuilt himself in the darkness. He didn't return to prove anything. He returned because he was ready. Here's what this means for you. Your transformation is happening right now, in this moment of listening, in this decision to disappear from the noise. When your time in the shadows is complete, you'll feel it. You'll move differently, speak differently, choose differently. But remember, the caterpillar doesn't announce its plans to become a butterfly. It simply disappears and transforms. Tonight you begin your journey into the shadows. Your cocoon awaits, and when you emerge, the world will never be the same. If this story resonates with your spirit and you wish to continue exploring the art of quiet transformation, subscribe to the Zen Narrator. Share just one word in the comments below that captures how you feel in this moment. Join our peaceful circle, where growth happens in the stillness and every soul is welcome. Remember, the most powerful transformations happen when no one is watching. Stay private, stay Zen.